Poppin' YouTube. It's your boy Roosevelt, and I'm back for another video. Today, guys, man. I know y'all miss me. I miss y'all too, man. No cap. Y'all miss me? Y'all miss me for real? Be honest. Be honest. Y'all miss me? No? Y'all don't miss me at all, man? No, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. No. You say you don't miss me, so that's cool. Sorry, no, I know y'all miss me. Come on, I'm just kidding. So yeah, today I want to review something new that came out a while ago. So yeah, I just want to review something new something that came out a while ago. So yeah, guys, make sure y'all like, subscribe, notify. Yes, sir. So today, guys, we're going to review the new. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Today we're going to review the new Faygo Pop. Man, come on, stop playing. Faygo Firework, man, stop playing. Come on, y'all see the popsicle? Come on, right there. Come on, nah. I think that popsicle looked like a bomb pop. Yeah, bomb pop. Yeah. Y'all see it? Come on. So yeah, today we're gonna review this. So let's go. Check this pop out. Ooh. Okay. Let's go. Got a drink? Oh, okay. I know you got a drink right now. I can see you chilling in your couch. I know you chilling in your chair. You probably eating while watching this, or you probably just drinking while watching this. Cheers. I know you got a drink in your hand right now. I see you. You have a drink in your hand. Come on, man. Cheers. Come on, man. Let's go. So yeah, let's do this. Okay. I ain't gonna cap. This tastes like bomb pop. It tastes exactly just like bomb pop, bro. Tastes just like it, bro. Hold on, one more sip. Man, excuse me. Tastes just like bomb pop. This is good. No wonder everybody likes this pop. This is actually good. This is good. Y'all should try this. It's actually good. It's probably in y'all store. It was sold out for a minute, but yeah. I think it's not sold out now, but yeah. Man, this pop was good. Dang, I should try this for real. It's actually good. This pop tastes just like bomb pop, bro. Like no cap. Tastes like just like that popsicle, bro. But yeah. Tastes just like that popsicle, bro. No cap. No cap. So yeah. Oh, y'all see my hat? Shout out to the GOAT, man. Shout out to the GOAT. Corey Kitchen, man. Oh yeah, guys. That's my reaction to that pop. That's my reaction to the new Faygo Pop that came out a while ago. This pop tastes just like bomb pop, the popsicle, bro. Trying to tell y'all, man. But yeah, this pop tastes good, bro. Tastes good. Shoot, it got that I don't know, got that cherry flavor, or I don't know. I think it got that cherry flavor, and that's what it tastes like to me. It got that like cherry flavor. But yeah, it tastes like just like bomb pop to me. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If y'all did, sure y'all like, subscribe, notify, stay tuned for more bangers. Oh, speaking of bangers. No, don't. Let me stop playing. I got a banger in the vault for you guys. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. Yes, I'll upload it Friday. Yep, Friday. So yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoy. Like, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. I'm about to stay. We're gonna go to the top. One day. We're gonna go to the top one day. We're gonna be up here. Yes, sir. One day. One day we'll be at the top. Yes, sir. One day. Alright, guys. Catch y'all later. Hey, girl. Hey, you just. Hey, you having a crush on me, girl? Hey, girl. Can I give you a kiss? No? Okay. Bruh, I don't know what's up with me today, guys. I don't know what's going on. Alright, I'm about to end this video. I'm sorry, y'all. Alright, catch y'all later. See y'all in the next vid. Yes, sir.